Okay. Good evening, Ghana for the Mamunina Achi and Ajo. The Nanko says, Wama the Pachi and Yagina Tinquam. Me reading your maybe or social media, a chillimadon so cacra. It say men's gold, what do you put a man for? How? A big company like that in Ghana are only presidents. A picture mfonini wo sponsor Ghana Premiership uye niema bebre eba ni sen. The questions ne say why ana hinfo ana government institution bank and a man men's gold license se on fan operating. But ni nyina no secret a woman say men's gold omuni gold ni na catch them omodi amanfo inside dey atwi form omodi amanfo inside dey atwi form omodi amanfo inside titi bini men's gold the amanfo inside titi bini secret a woman nyina ne say men's gold no ni gold entino oni brew marketing ahihye ho they are joint company entino ebetima ba say omu gold omu won be a £4 or £5 or £10. Call it name it however you want to name it. And in the secret a woman say for gold bra na me fan to her man. And I say for gold bra na me cotton a home for so e beba no na me ne wa den na me ne wa che. And in say na men's gold omo ye den omo operate oba na se ose oba be deposit a omo se ye de ye njiska da bi ampanso no omo nye den omo njiska na wa directive se ko brew marketing ni co joint ni colleague ma men kan sa na ma ye den mati ase ni colleague no wa directive se ko ni colleague ho na ye den na koto gold ni ye den ebra nti wo ko ni colleague no ho a na ni colleague na ye den brew marketing no ma ye den o ma ton gold na ma na men's gold logo ye den eboso genuine now the aba what the bar men's gold force hwehwe and gold a hwehwe enu ani secret a woman say e betima ba kura say e gold say bi o me sa business no ma anya bi man fa me gold ankoto ho man fa me sika ankoto ho e betima ba say omuni gold but ye dadie bi ena o ma eden o ma nani gold a eden afa ho ye dware ni gold ya dwane ni sika futuro ena okoton so na uni option say we den over try because men's gold logo ya den eboso now they call direct to men's gold na men's gold for say gold I hwehwe no enie na usika na aka brew marketing for ho enka aka brew marketing for ho aka brew marketing for ho no na men's gold afa chire no akwa gene share lion share no akwa gene ho ono claim lion share ni eden ho brew marketing for beji commission but bigger part no ebe ba no ho enti ababe gold na gold na ba be di no ho wa fa chira san eden akwa sika no so eden aba be di no ho enti another customer ba na men's gold na first customer they buy no asan fa chire no dia come brew marketing no keep punting another customer ba gold now obi di brand men's gold asan dia kwa come brew marketing tin kwa same gold na oye den o kwa akoto na o dia eden o dia bre omo na o masa jiska ntin sika ne de tambia sika na eden eba tambia sika eden tambia billions of billions but gold no e bit ma ba kura mpo say e ye £1 na 1 kilo gold e no mo dia dupu Ghana for sa na Ghana Commercial Bank moti ho ma hu we nyina nso no mo sori amaboko ma she coat ma bota na pen hye mo mo si mo ko school na moti Ghana Commercial Bank mo si mo ye financial institution and I say call them names man who say duping ye den ewo but me question me person me busa no say he for na men's gold lance say omon fan operating brew marketing he for na omon lance say omon fan ye den omon fan operating enti men's gold or to gold na enti Ghana government dey nim baby a men's gold or ton gold no sɛ ɔ export kɔ outside koraa no a ntini sɛ ɔ export akɔ a ɔntua taxes ɔntua VAT ɔntua export duty. For how long na good men's good are operating wɔ Ghana? Otua tax ma government na ɔntua tax ma government. Me sure sɛ nka ɔntua tax a nka ya close to company otua tax. Ntini men's good operating control biara nim. Hefa nana men's gold or Tony gold no ntin government nim ana men's gold or G gold na or the koguna dakam na wo fiscal na the manfo oto gold na okoton hefa nana oton no be obi anim baby oton no ntino eye few kilos of gold na circulated between brew marketing and men's gold, but a capture sky a capture scaba. That is the secret. And in wa osika ohobiano, omodi mun search form. Men's gold do search form, but mamon paba because men's gold operating a government in a manner authority say on fanya then on for operating gold business. On for operating gold business. And in sawa mo balance is on for operating gold business. Na se wan fa operate gold business na entini control bi anim say men's gold this year annual budget men's gold metal gold say metal gold say ena meton say income buy say export duties say VAT say entino no control Ghana economy small part say Jimmy Fuana. That be engineer. You need a horse aboa or no. You need a horse aboa or no. Moya crop. But any men's good and yes that guy nam no kwa Ogbono for actually there are big men behind. There are big men behind. Now inside the contract, or say the commodity sold is AU. Meta Rumtalium or what do they call it? Ofano and additional is often used by criminals who distribute the fake gold offers. Under this contract, men gold oba operating into the policies, government name the policies and all man license. Until one share the contract basis and sign oil then or man license. Abrochira say say odi sika bia bank bia won deposit limit. Bank bia won deposit limit. Oko Banco Popular 50,000. Oko BBVA 50,000. Oko Santander 50,000. That means it's a guaranteed deposit that ho say okay wo the 50,000 wo the 100,000 but na say bank na call bankrupt we can guarantee you 50,000 enti say me no me perixa me de misika kwa koto fixed deposit e wo banka me the 50,000 but ha say me the 50,000 bet to BBV na me call Banco Popular na me the 50,000 then akwakoto at least minimum say bank na call bankrupt the limit percentage men sabe can according to constitution and law na men's gold waba be gold business or transacting in gold na Ghana commercial bank montimi ama na amfa deposit bia ama wambe deposit bia o Ghana commercial bank ansana obe operate under any financial institution Ghana will say your limit obe deposit e wo Ghana commercial bank should in case o bankrupt you use say scan near the tia customers ka enye na sa time enye government na eba be tia but we nyina no Ghana government anhwe because munya bidi munyina mudibi men yi twen yi adoa munyina mudibi because obi ntimi be operate na hwe contract nkura na they are or say AU is often used by criminals not to say a criminal institution built up to defraud the citizens of their sweat. No obi akọ brasam na mimu fifiri na odi scanner ba na wo the one day wa grab process can na wa to jet SCC afie na odam na oji wani na obi dia den obi dia so far me blame customers no because enye legal nam one untimi njina ho na one government one president Nana Akufo-Addo no matwa picture o sponsor Ghana Premiership just say o call yes o call airport crampo na trollers na wo no men's gold na tita not say it's a secure transaction. It's a secure transaction. Me blame clients, no. I blame the government for not taking responsibility right from the initial stage. You buy a niguso. So you sorry a book long, you bought tie, you shake coat, you need the echo. Fuck you all. But Ghana for why we see that hobby and me catch them say we see ka enyiraye. Mon come home na mon lawyers na mon sue Ghana government. The money should come there. The money should come out from there. Who issued the lances should be responsible for the payment of the debt. Yeah, it's legal, it's constitutional, it's democratic. Because untimi Ghana. Now me say with my own authority, me turn gold. That be me here lances. I need a license. Enti Ghana for momo mani na ho men kasa bebre but achire no ye besen di hu nkomo biem but mumpia bonten mamona musika nyirae government should be responsible me da munyina mase bye bye.